All right, good morning, YouTube. Jeff Williams here. Today is, I believe it's Tuesday. These days are starting to blend a little bit, but I believe it's Tuesday. We are in Rapid City right now. We are heading up to Spearfish Canyon and Devil's Tower. So we're gonna do Spearfish Canyon and Devil's Tower today. That's the plan right now, and then from there, possibly shooting back to the chip, see what is happening there, check on the tent, maybe put some ice on our drinks. And from there, that's pretty much all we planned for today. That's as far as we've gotten, but we're heading down to the 90 right now. We're gonna take the quickest way to get out there. And then we'll take more back roads when we get there. So there's not gonna be much for me to show you out here. It's gonna be a lot of highway, which again, this highway is not like the 90 going from like Buffalo to Rochester, that half an hour 90. This 90 is pretty impressive just to see it itself. Here with Free. We're on our way to Spearfish Canyon. And I got some beats playing for this ride. New York.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, from Buffalo.
Oh, love your plates.
Oh, thank you. So if we were heading to Devil's Tower next, which way would we head?
This way. Yep.
How far?
Oh, it's quite a jaunt. We got a
there you can have, but you got to go up here to the Four Corners, and then you head north at that Four Corners intersection, and oh God, I don't know, it's got to be, I don't know, 45, 50 miles, I suppose.
That's nothing.
It's been a long time since I've been there.
Little jet, like you said, little run.
Yeah, it's a nice run though.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you have to crank them out a little bit.
Where's the buffalo at?
Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Well, you got to go down by Custer.
Okay.
So, but if you take this here same loop, and instead of go to Devil's Tower and you go that way around the backside in Custer, you could run through Custer Park. Yeah, they call that the loop.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds
I
like
I got a map up there. You can have one. I can show you exactly where you're at, where you're going, and where you want to be.
Appreciate it.
Show me some air conditioning.
Right. Hey, go inside and eat. It's air conditioned inside.
And you said food? Hold on.
Yeah, they were on the Food Network channel for their Indian tacos and worldly.
Oh. Thank you much.
All right, anything else here?
I don't think so. Is there 2 sets there? Yeah. Okay. Here's my Indian taco.
Indian taco is massive. I don't know if I can finish it.
Yeah, I did not think a large was this large.
It's very, very large.
Wow. But we'll give a shot at it. And
Here we go.
yeah. So we stopped here. We were out here in the where are we? Spearfish Canyon, and we came here to Cheyenne Crossroads. Pretty popular spot. Let me catch a few of these bikes going by, and we'll be on the road again. really cool bike. I'm hoping I can get her to start it one more time. Oh, it happened again, folks. Tragedy. The bolt broke. This is the second time. Same bolt, same position. Has just snapped. So now my bag is just holding on by one bolt, which is giving it a lot of stress. We stopped by this place and I'm going oh, that's actually Sasha. The guy's name is actually Sasha. Sasha Cycles. And let me zoom in on that, because this is freaking awesome. Sasha Cycles. Put us back here through this little doorway. And he's over there. He said we can use his tools. We need some Allen wrenches. We need a screwdriver. And we need some bolts. He said, help yourself. And after he got done, he'll give us a hand if we needed it. So let's get this bag on real quick. Just gave us a real good idea about how to fix this real quick. Free understood. So he's going to get us some washers to maybe tighten this up a little bit more so it won't break again. Just about had it with this bag. That's why I don't do saddlebags, man. That's why I do Sportsters. No, I love my baby, but man, the bags have been giving me trouble. But hopefully this is the solution for it, and we're back on the road. We'll check back in soon.
Hey, what's up, man?
My hero, man.
Hey,
I really appreciate it.
enjoy the
Thank
rally,
you.
man.
Something for you, something for the company. I really appreciate you for you. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. Thanks so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, what's our destination now? What do you want to do next? Where do you want to get water?
I don't know. What do you want to do? I need shade. I need water. I need air conditioning. Something.
I think we got to go back to the camp. We got
Well, I got to.
your pants are there.
So let's go grab the.
Let's go back to camp and get our grab. Camp was interrupted because of this run I had to do. So we're gonna go back there again and finish up what we had to do. See what's going on.
You know what that is?
Not at all.
It's a leech.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I
Pulled it off her leg.
when I came out of the water just now.
Really? Thank you. Wow.
We're done with that.
Yeah, I'm sure. I don't think I'm even going to start. I'm glad I got that. Did I get that? Please tell me I was rolling. I am rolling. I got that. All right. So after that, we decided to come back to the camp. We met a couple great people, and we stayed here for the rest of the evening. We talked to these guys, had a couple laughs, exchanged, cultures, ideas, and thoughts, and life experiences, motorcycles. We talked a lot about motorcycles. It was fun. Great people. So this is going to wrap up this video. From this point, we ended up just riding back to the hotel and called it a night. We did not make it to Devil's Tower, so that video is still to come. If you made it to the end of this video, I say thank you so much. I invite you to go ahead and subscribe. The next video is coming, and you know what? I haven't even started it, so I don't even know where I'm taking you tomorrow. So this was Tuesday. Here comes Wednesday. Thank you so much. Again, go ahead and like, subscribe, and tell me what you think about the video. I really do appreciate it. Take care, guys.